Hello, today we will learn how to change the password for admin for Honeywell, Fahrenheit, and Triga. First, you go to login, go to admin 1, go to edit profile, and then put your default password 000000. Okay, and go to number 19. Okay, there is admin number 1. So check the number 19 by scrolling up arrow. Okay, and then go to edit access code. Okay, and then enter your desired password, new password, 7 digits. Okay, 7 numbers. Okay, after that, exit, go back or by using left arrow, and then okay, try your new access code for admin. It must be 7 digits. So again, go to admin, go to edit profile, and then password, put your original password 000, the 7 zeros for default password, and then go to edit profile, then go to number 19 and input your desired access code for admin, because if you did not change the admin password, it will be always trouble admin passwords. So this is very easy, and I hope it will be help to you. This is only a basic, but basic is our fundamentals to do our work done.